Hey peoples, this is Others and this is my first thought that I've ever done, and as you have seen or read the title of the video, so let's begin doing that, and here we go. So this is my old CPU, Pentium dual core, core 2 dual processor, E5700, and clocked at 3.00 gigahertz, and I have Seagate Barracuda SSD and memory stick of 2 gigabyte, and this is all set Chrome, and we are just putting some more tabs into it. It goes like that. Now it's messing me up, but it's running smooth after that too. You can see a lot of windows are open right here, and this is one of those. I'm just putting much more tab into it, and let's see what happens to the task manager. Oh, same. The CPU is at 90% of the users, and memory is at 1.9 of the 2.0 gigahertz, around 85 or 90%. It's showing like that, and my disk is using. It's not so accurate, but it's like around average at 60, 80. Now it's 100. I don't know what is going on here. So this is basically what happens if you open a lot of tabs in your go to do a computer, and this goes like that, and it's fun to have it. And I think after adding SSD to it, it's going to be much more smooth, and if you add it to your CPU, I guess. Well, and I think this is a hell lot of tabs. I think I have to just close it. Oh, actually, I was on a task manager, and I was just a little bit of task. So you've seen the speed, and now you can see the speed. So the CPU is at 2% now, memory is at 0.7, around 35% of the 2 GB, and disk is it's 0%. It's almost using negligible. Yeah, this is it. So hope you see the next video of mine, and I think it will help you a lot in getting much more information to buy some SSDs, so to make your computer, even older computer, to perform better. So this is all.